The pickle's journey starts as a humble cucumber growing quietly on the vine, surrounded by lush green leaves and the gentle hum of nature. These cucumbers bask in the North Texas sun, soaking up warmth and energy that will soon be locked into every crunchy bite. Thriving in warm, sunny climates and nutrient-rich, well-drained soil, the plants stretch their vines across the earth, drawing up minerals and moisture to fuel their rapid growth. Farmers meticulously prepare the land, enriching the soil with compost and nutrients, and install efficient drip irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots, ensuring every plant gets exactly what it needs to flourish. Honeybees play a crucial role, pollinating delicate yellow flowers to produce straight, uniform cucumbers perfect for pickling. Without these busy pollinators, the harvest would be far less bountiful. Hives are carefully placed around the fields, and bees get to work, darting from bloom to bloom, ensuring a crop of crisp, ideal cucumbers for the season ahead. Every step, from soil preparation to pollination, is a blend of modern science and time-honored tradition, with farmers using both technology and intuition to nurture the perfect crop. The result? Fields full of plump, vibrant cucumbers, each one ready for its transformation into a crunchy classic. Soon, these cucumbers are carefully gathered by hand and machine, loaded into crates, and carried to the next stage of their journey. The adventure of the pickle is just beginning. Next stop, the harvest, where the real magic starts to unfold. When cucumbers reach the ideal size, harvest begins, fast. In the sun-drenched fields of North Texas, timing is everything. Farmers keep a close eye on every row, waiting for the perfect moment. The window is narrow, and missing it can mean losing the crop's best flavor and crunch. A cucumber can double in size in a single day, transforming from a tender, crisp vegetable to one that's overripe and less desirable. That's why every hour counts during harvest season. Mechanical harvesters and skilled workers race against the clock, working side by side to pick the crop at its absolute peak. Their teamwork ensures that not a single cucumber is left behind. Cucumbers are quickly loaded onto waiting trucks and rushed to the factory. Freshness is key, and every minute matters to preserve that just-picked taste. At the factory, each load is carefully inspected for size, color, and firmness. Only cucumbers that meet strict standards move forward, ensuring quality from the very start. Only the best cucumbers make it to the next stage where they're sorted and prepared for processing. This attention to detail is what sets great pickles apart. The speed and care in this phase ensure the pickle's signature crunch and flavor. Every cucumber is handled with precision to lock in freshness. It's a tightly coordinated operation, moving thousands of cucumbers from field to factory in record time. The entire process is a blend of tradition, technology, and teamwork. Now it's time for a serious cleanup, making sure everything is spotless and ready for the next harvest cycle. At the factory, cucumbers are unloaded onto conveyor belts for a thorough wash. High-pressure water jets remove dirt and debris. Think of it as a cucumber spa day. Next, optical sorters and human inspectors weed out any imperfect cucumbers. Only uniform, high-quality cucumbers move forward. Grading machines sort them by size, small for gherkins, medium for dills, large for spears or chips. Slicing machines prep cucumbers for their final form, spears, chips, or relish. Every piece is cut with precision, ready for pickling. Clean sorted and sliced, the cucumbers are set for their briny transformation. The real magic is about to begin. The heart of the process, turning cucumbers into pickles. Prepared cucumbers are loaded into massive tanks, ready for brining. The brine, water, salt, vinegar, and spices, gives each pickle its unique flavor. For traditional pickles, cucumbers ferment in salt brine for weeks, developing tangy flavor. Most commercial pickles are quick pickled, packed in vinegar brine and pasteurized for speed and consistency. Pasteurization locks in crunch and flavor, making pickles shelf-stable. Whether fermented or quick pickled, the result is a tangy, crunchy treat. The transformation is complete. Now, it's time to pack them up. From tank to jar, the pickles are almost ready for your table. Let's see how they make their final journey. After weeks in the brining tanks, pickles are ready for their next adventure. They travel along conveyor belts to the jarring line, where modern automation takes over, ensuring every step is precise and efficient. Clean, sterilized jars are swiftly filled with crisp pickles and tangy brine, then sealed tight to lock in freshness. The jars pass through pasteurization, a crucial process that guarantees safety and preserves flavor for months to come. That satisfying pop when you open a jar? It's the sound of quality and care. Each jar is labeled and carefully packed, ready for the next stage. Jars are stacked onto sturdy pallets, sometimes by robotic arms, sometimes by skilled workers, ensuring they're safe for transport. Pallets are moved by forklifts and sent to the warehouse, where they wait to begin their journey out into the world. From there, pickles are loaded onto trucks and shipped out to stores, restaurants, and markets everywhere, sometimes traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles. Why are pickles so popular? They're crunchy, flavorful, low in calories, and if fermented, packed with gut-friendly probiotics. They fit into so many meals and cultures. From sun-drenched Texas fields to the cool shelves of your fridge, each pickle carries a story of hard work and care. It's a journey that blends science, tradition, and innovation, where food engineers and artisans work side by side. And of course, there's a little bit of magic in every jar, as flavors meld and transform. The humble pickle has earned its place on tables around the world, enjoyed by families of every background and culture. So next time you bite into a pickle, take a moment to savor its crunch and tang. And remember the incredible journey it took, from field to factory to your table, before reaching your plate.